Okay, so one of the most effective social media tools that a dental sleep medicine provider can utilize are the stories of their patients who they've treated. What you need is you need a strategy to record and document those cases and share them on social media, of course, with your patient's permission. So what you need to do, you need to set the expectation up front and ask permission before you deliver the appliance. You say, hey, here's the results I want you to look out for. I want you to think about midday when you have more energy and you're not as sleepy as you used to be. You didn't wake up feeling groggy. I want you to pay attention to all these changes. And if you experience those, would you be willing to record your experience as a result of this treatment when you come back in for titration or you come back in for your 3 months checkup? Absolutely. I'd be happy to share. If this works out well for me, I would be happy to share. So set the expectation that they're going to be giving a testimonial before you even deliver the advice. And then when you do deliver the advice and they have the amazing results and they're really excited about all of the changes they've been experiencing as a result of that treatment, then you can help them tell the story. And by doing so, you ask very, very specific questions. What was it like for you when you were wearing CPAP? Okay. What was it like for your relationships because of that situation? Okay, now, what was it like? What was your experience like when you came into the office inquiring about oral appliance therapy? Okay, when we delivered your appliance, what was the first result you noticed after the first nights of solid rest? Okay, and what would you recommend to people who are currently not able to wear their CPAP? You ask people those questions, and what it's going to do, it's going to help the people who are hearing that story insert themselves into the story. And when people can relate to stories, they actually end up feeling like they can experience those same exact results. In the human mind, it's very difficult for us not to put ourselves in someone else's situation if they're telling a story that we can resonate with, if there's some shared experience there. So rely on that shared experience of human beings to sell the clinical solution for you, because it's actually the stories that people are buying into. They're not buying this piece of milled plastic, okay? They're buying a result. They're buying the promise and the hope that their life will be improved. So get those video testimonials. Remember, number one, set the expectation. Number two, ask questions that frame the story very carefully. And I covered those questions. And then simple cell phone video is the last point. Use a simple cell phone video just like I'm using right here in this video. I want to set the example for you. Doesn't need to be high production value. A simple cell phone video will do to share that story and allow other patients to be able to relate, insert themselves in the story, and desire the same result. And you're going to see your patient referrals skyrocket as a result. So I hope this was helpful. God bless.